So today, as this being posted, the 2024 World Supercross season is starting. So that means we've got the defending champions. We've got new people coming with Tomac running the full season this year. And I'm on in the comments below, you guys tell me. This is your opinion. I want to hear from you. Who wins? Do you think Ken Roxon can defend his title? Do you think Eli Tomac can come in here and take it away and earn another one to add to his trophy case? Who wins the SX2 or MX2, whatever they call it, the 250 class? And what do you think of the schedule? Obviously, World Supercross has had a little bit of a rocky first couple of years. Announcing rounds, then cutting rounds, and having six and then four and then up and down. So this is purely opinion based. Comment down below. I want to hear from you guys. What do you think of this? Do you like World Supercross? Do you wish it was gone? Do you hope it continues? Who do you think wins? Where would you rather they go? Are you going to any of these rounds? Whatever it is, comment down below. I want to hear from you. Personally, I think Eli Tomac has a very good chance of winning this. The one wild card he did the first time, he looked incredible, and obviously he was very quick. Always has been very fast, and I think he's going to do incredible. And it's a pretty good thing to see Ken Roxon and Eli Tomac duke it out, because there's not many other big names in this. I don't think really. Those are going to be your two main favorites. So whatever it is, like I said, comment down below. Tell me what you think. Are you going to any? Who do you think wins? Are you excited for it? Any form of any opinion on it, comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.